Answer B. Arithmetic logic unit, control unit. Which of the following first generation computers had? Answer A. Vacuum tubes and magnetic drums. Where is RAM located? Answer C. Motherboard. If a computer has more than one processor, then it is known as? Answer B. Multiprocessor. If a computer provides database services to other, then it will be known as? Answer C. Database server. Full form of URL is? Answer A. Uniform Resource Locator. In which of the following form data is stored in computer? Answer B. Binary. Technology used to provide internet transmitting data over wires of telephone network is? Answer D. DSL. Which level language is assembly language? Answer C. Low level programming language. Documents, movies, images and photographs etc. are stored at a? Answer D. File server. Which of the following